Despite a string of positive developments around XRP in recent weeks, data from Kaiko shows that options traders on Deribit are adopting a cautious stance. Implied volatility for XRP options expiring on Friday, April 18th, is skewed to the downside. In other words, demand for downside protection, particularly for out-of-the-money put options around the $1.50 level, has surged sharply. In fact, for those strikes has reached 160%. On the other hand, for longer-dated contracts like those expiring on May 30th, the forward curve appears more balanced. This suggests that bearish sentiment is concentrated in the short term, especially as the market approaches a key decision from the SEC. One factor driving this anxiety is the SEC's upcoming ruling on Grayscale's application for a spot XRP ETF, expected on May 22nd. While Teucrium recently launched a riskier 2x leveraged XRP ETF, market participants remain uncertain about whether a spot ETF will be approved. Interestingly, Grayscale's previous court when regarding a Bitcoin ETF might add pressure on the SEC. At that time, a judge ruled it illogical for the SEC to approve futures-based ETFs while rejecting spot ETFs backed by direct market pricing. However, XRP's situation differs. Its futures market isn't as robust as Bitcoin's, and a significant portion of its trading volume happens outside the United States. That said, recent data shows XRP's market share on U.S. spot exchanges has climbed to its highest level since the SEC lawsuit began in 2020. On the fundamentals side, XRP is showing strength. It currently leads U.S. altcoin spot market depth, overtaking Solana and Cardano. Liquidity has improved, and its share of global trading volume continues to grow. Additionally, a leadership shift at the SEC, with Paul Atkins replacing Gary Gensler, is fueling fresh optimism. Atkins is known for being more market-friendly and could promote a more supportive regulatory approach for crypto assets, including XRP. In summary, while the options market signals near-term caution, the long-term foundation for XRP remains solid and full of potential.